I recently made a PowerPoint presentation called Troubleshooting Installing a Video Card on a Windows 8 Desktop PC machine. These are for pre-built machines like a Dell or a Lenovo or Compaq. And so on these newer machines they have a BIOS option called UEFI or CSM or Secure Boot. And so I just want to talk about how if you've ran the typical video card troubleshooting that you might want to check these options in BIOS. So did you just install a video card onto your pre-built Windows 8 machine and for some strange reason it's not recognizing your video card? I came across this possible fix because my friend is purchasing a Lenovo H430 and supposedly it has a BIOS option where it'll prevent certain video cards from running because it doesn't have this thing called UEFI. So in BIOS of newer Windows 8 machines there is an option called UEFI, CSM, or Secure Boot. I haven't had a chance to test this out because I don't have any newer Windows 8 machines, but I just wanted to make this PowerPoint presentation for our own testing purposes. Again, remember to check the basics when installing a dedicated graphics card. If it's not being recognized by your PC, first of all, go into BIOS and make sure it's running off of the PCI Express slot. Next, check to see that the video card is properly seated. Then, if your video card is one of those video cards that is very power hungry, check to see that it's connected to the power connector. And last, if possible, update your BIOS. And so, if you've done all of this and your dedicated video card still isn't working, you can try this. Remove the graphics card and boot your system into BIOS. And then look for an option such as UEFI, CSM, or Secure Boot. And then select it as Disable, Legacy, or Compatibility. Now once you've saved those options, you can turn off your computer, reinsert your graphics card, and then hopefully when you reboot your system, everything should be working. So this is my PowerPoint presentation, Alex dude. I haven't been able to test this personally, so it's obviously your mileage may vary for this, but I just wanted to make it the video for myself that way. At least I'd know if there was any issues with my video card. So good luck with adding a graphics card to your pre-built PC systems. Have a good day.